As always, it's a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it is just damp. The shirt has already been turned inside out since this is being ice-dyed, and I've also flipped it so that the front is face down. I was specifically asked to do the camo colors from a previous video as a standard spiral. Now, this isn't going to be quite a standard spiral as far as it comes to the dye placement, but we're going to start with a regular spiral and do ice dye instead of like low water immersion or hot water irrigation. So let's go ahead and do the spiral. Alright, so we have this, and it's going to be a little difficult to draw these lines. This needs to be a 5-point coming off of this. Okay, so let's kind of freehand this maybe. That's not right. These should have been lower. Cheat. We'll do this part. It's pretty close. I know this looks like a mess. I'll clean it up here in a second. Okay. So, okay, that's probably as clear as mud right now. But what I have here, this, and this are the primary colors, and then these middle parts here will be the black. It'll make more sense when I put the colors on. So, off to dye. Alright, I'm using a bowl this time instead of an aluminum tub because all of the aluminum ones have little pinholes in it, and my family is tired of the table turning into a tie-dye table. So, here we go. Alright, for this I am using Better Black, Golden Brown, Olive Drab, Moss Green, and Khaki. So here we go again. Alright, before I put the ice on, if you're trying to figure out why a extra color suddenly appeared, it's because I can't count. And when I counted the dye colors, I counted 5. Not taking into consideration that the black is between each of them, so it's only 4 colors that are going to be used. So my solution to this problem that I got myself into is adding the forest green. So there's the extra color, and it looks like that, but it darkens quite a bit when it's actually dyed. Alright, so I'm going to put some soda ash over the top of this, since this is going to be muck dyed, and then I'll put the ice on. Alright, let that melt through, and then we will do the washout. Alright, it's been well over 24 hours, so let's go ahead and do this washout. Alright, let's take a quick look. So I'll go throw that in the wash, and we'll see the final in a minute. Here's the finished result. Alright, since we had the black every other, you can see the black coming in quite a bit all around the design. I don't care for this up here. Not sure. No clue what happened here. The white, this weird little wrinkle here, little things like that. But overall, I think the design works as far as a spiral camo per the request. Let's see. Going to say, if you can tell that there is that extra color in there, I mean, you can see where it is. It's right here because you have the yellow bleeding out, so you know it's there. But overall, it's not an issue, especially where it landed, since it landed in the smallest space possible, which is right there, and then it disappears into the rest of this. So that part worked out. So if you do this, remember there are 4 camo colors plus that 5th for the black, and not 5 plus black, and you won't make that mistake. Let me know what you think, and until next time, thanks for watching.